Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve Hindustan Times newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 13th, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. Third row, we have 749. 749 can't come in this cell. It will come any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Then in this grid, only two numbers are remaining. 3, 8. We'll confirm later. Third row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column J, we have 4, 9, 7. So 4 and 9, 7 can't come in these cells. It will come any of the three cells. We'll confirm later. Then only two numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. We'll confirm later. Second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column B and column C, we have 4. 4 can't come in the cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Second grade, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. In this grid, we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Second row also we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 9. 8th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. 9 will come any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Column C and column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cells. Second row also we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Ninth row and 10th row we have 2. Column H and column J also we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cells. And 2 is confirmed here. 10th row we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Column I also we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. 5th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. 7th row we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column H and column J we have 7. Second row also we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then column I, only two numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. We will confirm later. Column E and column G we have 4. 5th row and 6th row we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 9th row and 10th row we have 4. Column J also we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. ninth row and column F, we have pair numbers 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come in these cells. 5 and 7 will come in any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 will come any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. 6th row and 7th row we have 6. Column E and column F also we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th row and 10th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 8th row, only 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 8. We will confirm later. In this grid, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 7, 9. 9th row, we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come in this cell. 3 and 7 will come in any one of the cells. Column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then in this grid, only one number is remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column E and column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 9th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. We will confirm later. Column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. In column F and column G, we have 7. 6th row and 7th row also we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 5th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 6. Column B and column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come in these cells. 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 6. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. In column B, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. We will confirm later. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 9. 7th row, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Ninth row, only 1 number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. In this grid, only 1 number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. 10th row, only 1 number is remaining. 8 is confirmed here. Column J, only 1 number is remaining. 6 is confirmed here. Column H, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. We will confirm 8 later. 7th row we have 1, so what can't come in this cell? 1 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 4th row only two numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column C we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Then he can 3 also can confirm here. In this grid we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 6th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. In this grid, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column F we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. In this grid, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 7th row we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. In this grid, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column D we have 6, so 6 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.